How are you all the students? I hope that you will be fine. Stay safe and healthy as you know that your exams are approaching. So as a preparations we have done most of the things. Now I am going to share with you the sample paper and we will discuss that how to solve the sample paper for your exams, that is periodic one. Okay, so today we will discuss this sample paper only and try to do it in one time like you are giving your exam, so that you will be able to just track your time, how much time you are taking and how much you have prepared. Mark yourself, even do checking of your paper answer, means answer of the question paper, and judge yourself that how much you are prepared for your exams. So first of all, we are here on section A. Section A contains 12 marks. We are having two passages in each having 6 marks. Okay, so first of all we will start this question. Read the passage and answer the following questions. Food can maintain and save life. It can destroy life as well. Proper food serves as medicine. Improper food works as poison. A little care about the quality and quantity of food will keep us healthy and happy. If we go about eating all sorts of things, we shall become sick. We can take pride in calling ourselves civilized. Being sensible means to know the difference between good and bad, right and wrong. It will not do to become slaves to our tongue or taste. Even cattle, birds, and beasts eat only what is best for their body. As we are reading this now, you should have a pencil in your hand. So while doing unseen passages, you just keep in mind that whenever you are going to read it carefully, because you have to answer the question given below or after the passage. Okay, and always mark the difficult words whatever you find here. Okay, so that you will be able to track the questions. So next is, we mostly eat processed food and refined sugar. We pay heavily for junk food, for Chinese dishes or deep fried snacks. As a result, we catch diseases. We have drifted away from Mother Nature. We laughed at the rules of hygiene, healthy diet, and the advice of our elders. This has given rise to diabetes. We offer chocolates, cakes, and ice cream too often to our children. We also attend parties or dine out every day. This way, we invite obesity and diabetes. So, this is the passage. Now, I hope that just an idea you are having in your mind that what about the passage is. What are the functions of food? Here is asking. So in the very first line, that food can maintain and save life. It can destroy life as well. Proper food serves as medicine. Okay, so you will write the answer. Food can maintain and save life and serves as medicine for us. Okay, what is meant by improper food? Improper food work as poison. What is meant by improper food? So what is mean this is not good for our health, means the meaning of the improper food is the food which is not good for our health. What does civilized life mean? Here imply means mean. Here civilized means era. Here it is. Being sensible means to know the difference between good and bad, right and wrong. So civilized means to know the difference between the good and bad, right and wrong. Explain. We have drifted away from nature. We have drifted away from Mother Nature means we are just going away from nature. We are not living natural. We are not using natural things. We are just away from the nature. Then the next question is, how does modern lifestyle and food habits affect us? Yes, definitely. Like we have drifted away from nature, we laugh at the rules of hygiene, healthy. Here, this is the answer. How we will start? Modern lifestyle and food habit affects us that we laugh at the rules of hygiene, healthy diet, and the advice of our elders. Okay, this will be the answer. Next, find words from the passage that means the same as being fat and cleanliness. Here two options are here, but you have to write out one answer. But we will do both. Being fat means here. This way we invite obesity and diabetes. Obesity is a condition where the person get fatter. He become fat. So obesity is the answer of 1. And cleanliness, here you can find the answer. As a result, we catch diseases. We have drifted away from Mother Nature. We laugh at the rules of hygiene, healthy diet, and advice of our elders. Now, I think you are just very close to the answer. It can be, or the answer is hygiene. Clear? The meaning of the answer is cleanliness is hygiene. Okay, because we have to find out passage words from the passage that are having same meaning, and we also call the same meaning means synonyms. And whenever you do this, kindly read very carefully that whether you have to find out the synonyms or you have to find out the opposite or the antonym. Now we will do the second number. Read a poem and answer the following questions. The cinema is the cheapest source of entertainment. First of all, we will do the reading of the paragraph. Only then we will start finding out the question answers. Okay. So here I am going to start. The cinema is the cheapest source of entertainment today. Millions of people see movies and enjoy them. It is a good pastime in all the places, big or small. The cinema industry has made rapid progress after independence. In the beginning, they were silent, and black and white movies. It is right. Now we are dazzled by the colors in every movie. Big posters are seen on the walls of cities and towns for advertisement. They also announce the coming movies in the city. There is always a rush before the booking windows, so the tickets are often sold in the black market or at a premium. On the one hand, the cinema is a source of entertainment. On the other, it is a source of knowledge and information. Films satisfy all the section of people and their different taste. There are religious movies and historical movies also. They recreate the past, the old culture and lifestyle. Social films spread awareness about social evils of dowry, casteism and communal feelings. Some films expose the corruption in high places among the policemen and the citizens. Now here we have to answer the question. So I hope that you are having an idea of this passage. So keeping the passage in your mind, we will start doing question answers. First of all, we will do, why is cinema so much popular? Can you tell me, why is cinema so much popular? Here it is. The cinema is the cheapest source of entertainment, so this is popular. Or we will start, cinema is so much popular because this is the cheapest source of entertainment. Clear? Next, how can you say that the cinema industry has made rapid progress after independence? So this we have to find out, that how can we say. Okay, because after independence, when it was in black and white movies, sudden off there was a rapid progress in the world of cinema. It become colorful. Okay, and you can see the advertisement and the poster on cities and towns, and everyone was allowed to go to cinema. Likewise, you can write the answers. Why are tickets often sold in the black market? You know what is black market? Black market is like when you are not getting in a fair manner. Okay, that is called black market, when you are not getting the tickets in fair manner. Now I have to find out the answer, and the answer is, because there is always a rush before the booking windows. When the tickets are not easily available, then it is sold in black market. Okay, now you can see the next one. Mention two advantages of cinema. Two advantages of cinema. Then what will be the answer? The answer is, first of all, cinema is a source of entertainment. Okay, and second is, it satisfy all the section of people and their different taste. Okay, and some more example we can quote, like religious movies and historical movies are there, which create past, old culture and lifestyle. Okay, it also spread awareness about social evils of dowry, casteism and communal feeling. We have point out 4 and you have to write only 2. Any 2 write down, and while writing keep in mind that you have to write very carefully and it should be neat and clean. Now find words from the above passage which mean the opposite to costliest. Costliest means which is costly, which is not, means not cheap. Means in the first line we have read about this, it is, where it is, yeah, here. The cinema is the cheapest source of the entertainment. So costly, opposite of costly is cheapest. Okay, this way we have discussed. I know you all have done this. If you have done, then just check out your answer, match your answer. If it is correct, then give yourself marks and how much you are scoring. Now after section A, which is the reading section, which is the comprehension section, through which we called unseen passages section, we will move to the second section, that is section B. And section B is always known for writing skills. Writing skills is as important for us in the language as the other sections are. Writing is an art, you know that very well. So we are having in our syllabus on application and one notice. Notice, just find whenever you write notice, keep the format in your mind that how you are going to start your notice. Okay, first of all read the question, whatever the necessary requirement you want, you just add in your notice. Here I am going to read the question number 1. Mr. Ramlal, a leading Hindi poet is visiting your school and will recite his patriotic and humorous poem on the eve of 25 January, Republic Day, as a head boy write a notice. Means, first of all, find out the function, find out the event, and find out the main matter where you have to write the notice. Your function is the eve of 25th January, means you are going to celebrate Republic Day. Second, what is going on? There is a famous poet of Hindi, Mr. Ramlal, who is coming to his school and he is ready to recite his patriotic and humorous poem. And what your designation is? Your designation is head boy. Your school name is not mentioned, so this is not necessary for you to write the school name. You can write ABC school, you can write the name of your school also. Now you just draw the table or draw the box for your notice. First of all, not table, only the box you will draw. Don't close it at last, because if you are going to close it, then you don't know how much space you are going to take. First of all, you will just write ABC school, okay, and ABC is in capital letters. Then in the next line you write notice. After that skip one line, then come to the next line. After skipping one line, okay, you will mention date. Don't write DAT, directly write date. Like today is what is the date today? Today is 30th of April, so you will write 30 April 2020. Coming to the next line, in the middle part, in between of two lines, you will write the title of the notice. Why you are writing this notice? You are going to tell about the celebration of Republic. So you will write Republic Day celebrations. You can write Republic Day celebration in capitals, or you can write in words, but initial means Republic, R should be capital, Day D capital, and celebrations C capital. In the next line you start writing the content, and the content will be Mr. Ramlal, a leading Hindi poet, will visit our school and ready to recite his patriotic and humorous poem on the eve of 25th January. Your presence is must for the celebration. For more details, contact undersign. Skip one line, write head boy, your name, and then with the pencil close the box. Now your notice is done. Got it? Your notice is done. After writing, check once whether the sequence is right. Well, it is right, but spelling while writing should be careful about the spellings also. Now we will move to the question number 2 of B section, B2. Some bad boys has hit Gurdeep on his way to school. Gurdeep wants to complain against him to principal of the school. Write this complaint. Now the question is, there is a boy whose name is Gurdeep. So name is given. While returning to his school, he was hit by some bad boys. So have to make complaint to the principal. You know, it's not easy to make complaint for someone, but when you are hurt, when you are thinking that this is something bad, today it has happened with me, or it can be happen with others also. So be serious and write the application. To writing the application, I have given you a format. Follow the format while doing your writing section. Okay, and it should be it should be written in a very neat and clean manner. First of all, write the principal, then write down the name Rishikul Vidyapeeth Alipur, Delhi. Then skip one line, mention the date. Don't write DAT, directly write 30th April 2020. After skipping one line, you will write respected sir or madam. But you are having sir as principal in your school, so write sir, SIR, S should be capital. Moving to the next line, don't put comma. Okay. Moving to the next line, you start writing the content. I am the student. I Gurdeep, the student of your school of class this. Okay, want to say something, I want to express something towards a serious matter, want to discuss a serious matter with you, that while coming from the school, while returning home to the school, some bad boys hit me on my head, and that hurt me, and I am unable to come to school. So I I request you take some necessary action, as it can be happens with others, because the boys are in such habit. Okay, you write this. I hope that the action will be taken on this act. Thank you, and then skip one line. Thank you will be in the next. Thanking you will be in the next line. Thanking you is a sentence. Don't write thank you. Thanking you. Skip one line. Yours sincerely, Gurdi. Class 7th. Okay. Section you will mention. You can mention the roll number also. Okay. This will be the writing section that we have done. Clear? Now this section C we will discuss in our next video. So resume to the next video. Thank you and have a nice day, bachcho.